That's on the white Dawn of the Dead's bar. What? See? It's getting dead. Look at how small this one is compared to that Donna. This one's smaller than the Donna. The Donna and the Phantom, I think, are like the biggest ones ever. I wonder which one's bigger though, the Phantom or Donna. Bah! Ah! It's on the Pirates bar. The string gets caught in there sometimes. And it goes all the way to the top. At first it didn't, but now it did overnight. It started going to the top. Looks like next time it gets charged, it won't, but it will. They're pretty much all going again. It's flashing already? How? That one's on the bar that he was on last night. It's on an awe bar. Like my other pirate used to be that it when I had it. So that one goes and that one goes on. And it's gonna snap because the head is heavier and it goes up with the hands. That one's getting really dead. But it's still going really fast. That's the one with the crack in the nose. I changed the female. That's the one I was on yesterday. No noise. This is the bar that doesn't make any noise. It goes really slow. That was the bar that one was on. That goes very slow. That's why it's not fast. There goes that one. Oh, it stopped. This still is going slow, the head in this. Still lighting up a little. The lights, I just can't believe they're broken on this one. There's a wire that had to have came off. And that's what I just dropped. Doesn't need the scissors on it anymore. That hand. See, the scissors are right there. Oh, there's supposed to be a AAA charging for my music. I finally got that radio going that I got for Christmas. I have it on 97.5. That's one of my favorite channels. I don't know what channel Old Time Rock and Roll is on. There's Rosemary. Her head isn't broken. She just got turned off when her head was down. Yeah, no hand, that part either. You can see the motor that pulls the string in there. See? It actually, this bar isn't even screwed in. It's not screwed in. It's unscrewed. This middle bar. Those two are.